Next one is linear versus non-linear systems. A discrete time system is called linear if only if it satisfies the linear superposition principle. In the other case, the system is called non-linear. A relaxed system h dot is linear if and only if h of a1 x 1 of n plus a2 x of n is equals to a1 into h of x1n a2 into h of x2. It is linear. If for any arbitrary input sequences x1 of n and x2 of n and any arbitrary constants a1 and a2, the multiplicative property of a linear system is h of a1 of x1n is equals to a1, we can common a1 into h of x1. The additive property of a linear system is h of x1n plus x2n is equals to h of x1n plus h of x2n. Examples of linear systems, these are the examples. Y of n is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n, h of k x of n minus k, y of n is equal to x of n square plus b into x of n minus k. The non-linear systems, y of n is equal to m into x of n plus b x cube of n minus 1. Y of n is equal to 0, sigma k is equal to 0 to n, h of k x into n minus k, x of n minus k plus. Causal and non-causal systems. A system is said to be causal if the output of the system at any time n depends only on present and past inputs. In mathematical terms, the output of a causal system satisfies the equation of the form. When this equation is satisfied, this is and we can say that system is causal system. Y of n is equals to f of xn, xn minus 1, xn minus 2. So, where f dot is some arbitrary function, if a system does not satisfy this definition, it is called non-causal. Examples of the causal and non-causal systems: sigma k is equal to 0 to n h of k x of n minus k, y of n is equal to x square n plus d into x of n minus k. Non-causal system, y of n is equal to n into x of n plus 1 plus bx cube of n minus 1, y of n is equal to sigma n is equals to sigma k is equals to y is into 10 h of k x of n minus k. Stable versus unstable of systems. An arbitrary relaxed system is said to be bounded input, bounded output. This is the Bibos table. If and only if every bounded input produces the bounded output, it means that there exist some finite numbers, say mx and my, such that x of n is less than or equals to mx is less than infinity. Y of n is less than or equals to my is less than infinity. For all n, if for some bounded input sequence x of n is the output y of n is unbounded, the system is called and classified as unstable. These are the examples for stable and unstable systems. This is the stable system. Y of n is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n h of k x of n minus k, y of n is equal to x of n square plus 3x of n minus k. The unstable system is 0. Y of n is equal to 3 power n x cube of n minus 1. Recursive and non-recursive systems. There are different types of systems. A system whose output y of n at time n depends on any number of the past outputs values is called a recursive system. Then the output of a causal recursive system can be expressed in general as y of n is equal to f of yn minus 1, yn minus 2, yn minus capital N, x of n, x of n minus 1, x of n minus 1, where f dot is some arbitrary function. In contrast, if y of n at a time n depends only on the present and past inputs, y of n is equals to f of n, x of n minus 1, x of n minus 1, then such a system is called non-recursive. Example, non-recursive, recursive. This is the recursive, non-recursive, this is the non-recursive system. Linear discrete time invariant systems, LDI systems, time domain approach. This is the impulse response and convolution of the linear time invariant system, LTI. Impulse response, unit impulse is delta of n is equals to 1 for 0, otherwise it is 0. LTI system h dot h of n is equals to h of delta of n. Here input is the impulse response, impulse input, therefore h of delta of n. LTI system description by convolution sum. Therefore y of n is equals to sigma k is equals to minus infinity h of k x n minus k is equals to sigma k is equal to minus infinity x of k h n minus k. Here h impulse h n minus k, that is equals to convolving operator is star h of n star x of n or x of n star h of n. Mathematically the convolution operation satisfies the commutative law, that is why h of n star x of n is equals to x of n star h. Step response. Step response. Here unit step response. Unit step, if the LTI system input is a unit step, then we can get the step response is g of n is equal to h of u of n. Unit step response. G of n is equals to sigma k is 1 minus h of k u of n minus 1. In previously we use h of n minus k. Here unit step response is u of n minus k. Therefore here it is known as sigma k is equals to minus infinity n h of k. These expressions relate the impulse response to the step response of the system. Impulse response property and classification of LTI systems. Causal LTI systems, a relaxed LTI system is causal if and only if its impulse response is 0 for negative values of n. H of n is equals to 0 for n is less than 0. Then the two equivalent forms of the convolution formula can be obtained for the causal LTI system. Y of n is equals to sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity h of k x of n minus k. Sigma k is equal to minus infinity n by x of k h of n minus k. Stable LTI. A LTI system is stable if its impulse response is absolutely summable. Absolute h of k whole square. Sigma k is equals to minus infinity h k square is less than infinity. Finite impulse response LTI systems and infinite impulse response LTI systems. Finite FIR LTI systems. FIR causal FIR LTI systems. Y of n is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n h of k x of n minus k. Infinite impulse response LTI system is y of n is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity h of k x of n minus k. These are the examples. And recursive and non-recursive LTI systems. Causal non-recursive, causal recursive. Causal non-recursive LTI system is y of n is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n h of k x of n minus k. Causal recursive LTI system is y of n is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n b of k x of n minus k minus sigma k is equal to 1 to m a of k y by n minus k. LTI systems characterized by constant coefficient difference equations. This is the frequency domain representation of discrete signals and LTI systems. The frequency domain omega. Here x of n is equals to complex valued signal. This is the complex valued signal. X of n is equals to e power j omega n exponential signal is given to the LTI system h of n. Here h of n is a impulse response. the y of n is equals to, we can get the output response y of n is equals to sigma k is equals to minus infinity into h of k x of n minus k. This is the frequency domain system, frequency domain representation of the LTI system. LTI system output y of n is equals to sigma k is equal to minus infinity h of k x of n, that is equals to sigma k is equal to minus infinity h of k e power j omega n minus k. We can write this expression. From this, sigma k is equal to minus infinity h of k e power minus j omega k e power j omega n. E power j, take common e power j omega n, sigma k is equals to minus infinity h of k e power minus j omega k. Therefore, y of n is equals to e power j omega n into h of e power j omega, that is equals to sigma k is equals to minus infinity h of h k e power. This is the h of e power j omega. This is the h of j omega. This is the frequency response. This is the frequency response. Frequency response h of e power j omega is equals to sigma k is equals to minus infinity h of k e power minus j omega k. H of e power j omega is equals to h of e power j omega e power j is phi of omega. E power h of e power j omega is equals to real part of this one and plus imaginary part j, imaginary part of h of e power j omega. H of e power j omega sigma में k is equal to minus infinity h of k cos omega plus j of minus sigma k is equal to minus infinity h of k sin omega k. The real part of this h of j omega is equals to sigma k is equal to minus h of k cos omega k. This is the real part. Imaginary part is this one, minus sigma k is equal to minus infinity h of k sin cos theta plus j sin theta. Magnitude response, phase response, group delay function. Magnitude response is h of e power j omega is equals to root over real part of h of e power j omega square plus imaginary part of h of e power j omega square. This is the magnitude response. Phase response phi of omega is equals to argument of h of e power j omega. Arc, tangent of imaginary part of h of j omega by real part of h of j omega. Group delay function tau of omega is equals to minus d phi of omega by d omega. Comments on relationship between the impulse response and frequency response. Impulse response and frequency response. The important property of the frequency response is h of j omega is equals to integral minus infinity to h of k e power minus j omega k, that is equals to integral sigma k is equal to minus infinity to h of k e power minus j omega plus 2lk, that is equals to h of e power j omega plus 2lk. Is fact that this function is periodic with period 2. In fact, we may view the previous expression as the exponential Fourier series expansion for h of e power j omega, with h of k as the Fourier series coefficients. Consequently, the unit impulse response h of k is related to h of j omega through the integral expression. H of n is equals to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi 2 by h of j omega e power j omega and d omega. Comments on symmetry properties. For LTI systems with a real valued impulse response, the magnitude response, phase responses, the real component of and imaginary component of e power j omega possess these symmetry properties. The real component, even function of omega periodic with period 2 pi. A real part of h of e power minus j omega is real part of h of e power j omega. The imaginary component is odd function of omega periodic with period 2 pi. Imaginary of h of e power minus j omega is minus of imaginary of h of e power j omega. The magnitude response, even function of omega periodic with period 2 pi, magnitude response. And the phase response is this one, odd function of omega periodic with period 2 pi. Argument of h of e power minus j omega is minus argument of h of e power j omega. Consequence, if we know h of e power j omega and phi of omega phasor for 0 is less than or equals to omega is less than or equals to pi, we can describe these functions for all values of omega. These are the symmetry properties of the function h of e power j omega. Okay, na? These are the different symmetry properties of h of similar phi of phasor response, h of j omega, even, and phi of omega. The comments on Fourier transform of discrete signal and frequency domain description of LTE systems. X of n is the input, x of e power j omega is the input signal. The frequency response is h of e power j omega, hn is the impulse response. This is the frequency response. Fourier transform, frequency response, this is, and this is the small h of n is the impulse response. Output signal is y of n, y of e power j omega. The input signal x of n and the spectrum of x of n. X of e power j omega is equal to sigma k is equals to minus infinity x of k e power minus j omega k. X of n is equals to 1 by 2 by integral minus pi to pi x of e power j omega into e power j omega n dy. The output signal y of n and the spectrum of y of n is equal to y of e power j omega spectrum sigma k is equal to minus infinity into y of k e power minus j omega. Y of n is equals to 1 by 2 pi and 1 by 2 pi sigma minus pi to pi y of e power j omega n dy. The impulse response h of n and the spectrum of h of n. H of e power j omega is equals to sigma k is equal to minus infinity h of k integral sigma k is equals to minus infinity h of k e power minus j omega p omega k. H of n is equals to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi h of e power j omega into j omega n dy. Frequency domain description of LTE system is y of e power j omega is equals to h of e power j omega into x of e power j omega. This is y of e power j omega is equals to h of e power j omega into x of e power j omega. H of e power j omega, x of e power j omega. This is the y of, this is the frequency domain of LTI system. Comments on normalized frequency. It is often desirable to express the frequency response of an LTI system in terms of units of frequency that involve sampling interval t. In this case, the expressions h of j omega, h of e power j omega is equals to sigma k is equal to minus infinity h of e power minus j omega k, h of n is equals to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi h of e power j omega into e power j omega and d omega. modified to the form h of e power j omega t is equals to sigma k is 1 minus infinity h of kt e power minus j omega k. H of nt is equals to t by 2 pi integral minus pi by t to pi by 2 h of e power j omega t into e power j omega nt d omega. H of e power j omega t is periodic with period 2 pi by t is equals to 2 pi f, where f is the sampling frequency. Normalized frequency approach f by 2 tends to pi. F by 2 pi. Transform domain representation of the discrete types. Z transform. Z transform domain of the Z transform of a discrete type signal x of n is defined as the power series x of z is equals to sigma k is 1 minus infinity x of n z power minus k x of z is equals to z of x, where z is a complex variable. The above given relations are sometimes called the direct Z transform because they transform the time domain into its complex plane representation. Transformation. X of n is equals to different transfer function of y of n, LTI system, input signal. X of z is equal to z transform by applying the z transform. These are the different cases. Transfer function of this h of z is equal to y of z by h of z of y n by n of x. X of z is equals to LTI system. The z transform the constant coefficient linear difference equation under zero initial conditions. These are the two functions. The transfer function of the LTI system is this one. This is the transfer function. Here, this is the transfer function. May be viewed as a rational function of a complex variable z of z power minus 1 z power minus k. Poles 0, so pole 0 plot. These are the pole 0 plots, different plots. Example is given here. Magnitude response of linear scale, phase response, magnitude response logarithmic scale, probability function, pole 0 plot, poles and 0. And these are the different poles, 0. Different poles. Pole 0 plots. Transfer function and result of the LTI systems. LTI system is above stable if and only if the unit circle falls within the region of convergence of the power series expression for its transfer function. In the case when the transfer function characterizes a causal LTI system, the stability condition is equivalent to the requirement that the transfer function h of z has all of its poles inside the unit circle. Example.